Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today my name is Nike. Thank you so much for tuning in. So today guys, I'm going to be showing you how I make my own homemade strawberry ice cream and my own homemade cookie ice cream. So guys, here are the ingredients. This is the coconut dreams fudge coconut and caramel cookies. This is what I'll be using for my cookie ice cream. And the next ingredient here is my heavy whipping cream, which is a very important aspect of the ice cream. And the next ingredient here for my strawberry ice cream will be sliced strawberries with sugar. And then guys, the next ingredient here is my sweetened condensed milk. This is a very important aspect of ice cream. For ice cream, we need two basic ingredients: the whipping cream and the condensed milk. Your ice cream is made. And then these are just my cones, waffles, what I want to use to serve my ice cream. You can use anything, your cups, your plates, whatever you wish to serve your ice cream in, but this is what I'm going to be using for the purpose of this video. I had it at home, so why not just go ahead and use what you have rather than buy something new, if you understand what I mean. So guys, since you guys have seen everything I'll be needing, the next thing here is turning my cookies into a zipper bag and crushing my cookies. Now, initially I had made the cookie ice cream and I noticed I put more cookies than the cream itself. So this time around, this is the amount of cookies I want and I've crushed it to my desired texture. Yes, this is what it looks like after crushing. So now guys, the next thing I'll be doing is getting a bowl and turning my whipping cream into the bowl. Now you can start whipping your cream with the highest setting on your hand mixer. It all depends on you, but I usually start from 1, move to 2, 3, 4, and then to the highest. So guys, technically it's gonna take you about 7 to 8 minutes to achieve the desired texture, but it all depends on you and how you want it. So this here, you see me whipping, it took me about 7 minutes. Yes, let's just 7 to 8 minutes to be on the safe side. And now I have achieved what I want. So the next thing I am going to be doing here, you guys will see in a bit, I am going to be turning in my sweetened condensed milk. The purpose of sweetened condensed milk is the condensed milk serves as a sweetener. Some people may decide to use 2 cans. It depends on how sweet you want your ice cream to be, but I decided to use just 1 can of condensed milk. Why? Because I have a toddler in the house and my strawberry flavored ice cream is the strawberry I'm using has sugar, so I don't want it to be too sweet. And it all depends on how sweet you want yours to be. Yes, some people say that's why it's ice cream, so it's supposed to be very sweet, but I didn't want it to be sweet. And then you mix again for a little while, you whip again for a little while, and this is the texture. This is what it's supposed to look like. You don't want to over whip your cream, guys. Yes, this is so beautiful. Do you see? If you have vanilla extract, that is ice cream. Okay guys, so this is my strawberry. It's all melted. I turned it into a bowl. So all I'm going to be doing now is turning in some of the cream in here, but that water you see, I actually did reduce the water, because you know when something is frozen and it melts, it comes up with water. So guys, this is the strawberry and the cream. I am whipping it again. Why? Because I want it to bring out the pink color. You could decide to add pink coloring if you wish, but for me, I am not adding pink coloring. I don't feel so comfortable with colorings. That is why I am not adding coloring to I'm using the natural strawberry coloring. So I just whisked this for about let's just say a minute, or a minute, not that long, and I turned it into a bread pan, a bread baking pan. You could decide to buy an ice cream pan, an ice cream bowl if you want, but I turned mine into a bread pan, covered it with clear film and what do you call it, aluminium foil, and kept in the freezer. And the next thing here is my cookie ice cream. So now I have turned my cookie ice cream into the bowl and I am going to whip it just to just to get the cookies all around, as in take the cookies to mix it round in the ice cream, just to whip it and mix it round, not for anything. I didn't whip this for too long. And then when I'm done, I will be turning it into my bread pan again and let it freeze for about 4 to 6 hours. Nothing much, guys. I don't have to keep it in the freezer till the next day. But if you want it to stay for 24 hours, well, whatever rocks your boat. But usually it's just supposed to stay in the freezer for 4 to 6 hours, depending on your own freezer and how fast your own freezer works. Yes, guys. So I didn't add anything extra aside from the cookies. I didn't want this one to be too sweet, so nothing extra. I was thinking of adding extra coconut flakes, sweetened coconut flakes. I was like, nah, too much sugar. The strawberry is already sweet. Strawberry ice cream is already sweet enough, so I just decided to leave this like this. And why I went for this cookie ice cream is because the Oreo cookie is still common. Everybody makes Oreo cookie. I'm sure my family members are tired of me making Oreo cookie. To me, it's kind of like a cliche. So I decided to do something new and come up with my own style. So you are free to try this if you want to. There's no harm in trying. And then voila! Drum rolls. This is my ice cream, my cookie ice cream, and my strawberry ice cream. This is what it looks like. This is my sprinkles. Yes, this is my sprinkles. I am going to be sprinkling that when I put that on the cone. Guys, please, pardon my packaging. I don't even know how to serve these things, and just pardon everything that I am doing here. This is me being raw. As I said, I keep it real, I keep it simple. I don't want to overdo. This is just me. This is how I know how to do my own presentation of ice cream. This is what I know how to do best. So yes, guys, and this is it. My ice cream is ready. Thank you so much for watching. If you liked what you see, I want to encourage you to please hit the like button, subscribe, leave your comments down below. And if you're going to be trying this, please try it and tag me up on Instagram, or if you have my contact on WhatsApp. I really do appreciate you guys. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.